All right, hello guys. This is Mr. Sams. I want to show you a video on how to navigate your course. So if you've already watched the course materials on how to get in, or get access to My Math Lab and your course materials, this is how you go through your course. So we have a start here. Start here shows you the name of your course, my image, my contact phone, my office location, and how to join Remind. So this is a general video. Please go to your course and make sure you use the code provided in your course, as this may not be the one, so that you can connect to me. The official method of communication is email, but I like to use Remind. You get a message much faster, so please join Remind as soon as you get an opportunity. The next document I have is our course syllabus. It tells you all the information on the course, our learning objectives. It has my information again. It shows you the required text, different policies. One of the most important things is going to be your course calendar, which shows you the topics we're going to cover and the due dates and the prospective weeks that we're going to be covering those topics. Okay. It has the grading scale, the weights, and then how to access services if you need accommodations. The third link is my schedule. So my schedule tells you when I'm in class. If you need to come by and see me, the yellow blocks are when I'm in my office. If you see a colored block, that means I have a class, specifically the ones that have a time and a location. There are some that are after hours, which are online. This one that's lavender type color just has the class, meaning it's online, but I'm on campus. It's during the day. If you need me, you can pop by. You might find me. If I'm not in my office, you can just wait a moment. I might have stepped out to another building or went to the restroom, might be running an errand. So anyway, this is my work schedule. If you need me outside of any of these times, just send me a message and we can set up an appointment. So those are the first three things that we start here. We covered these next three blocks in the course materials videos. Pearson, however, is where you're going to be doing all of your homework assignments. Once you sign in and you're registered, you will go to your course, and assignments is where you will spend most of your time. You can click on an assignment and you can begin working on it. Within the assignment, you have several options. You have a help me solve this. It will solve your problem, and then it will give you an X, and then you can do a similar problem. You have view an example, which will show you a similar problem and kind of walk you through some steps. And you also have get more help, which the main thing I use for get more help is the textbook. So you have access to an online textbook. It takes you directly to the section. It doesn't take you to the page pertaining to the problem that you're working, but it takes you to the section, and you can kind of go through and read and see different examples in the online textbook. So definitely encourage you to use this. And just to show you, you can get a problem wrong. I'm going to hit enter, just submit some wrong answers. Okay, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it one more time. You get 3 attempts. Sorry. You get 3 attempts before it counts it wrong. And I can't see because my recorder time is in the way. So I'm going to check again. So on the 3rd time it says final check, and then it marks it wrong. So what happens if you get it wrong, you can say next, or you can just say similar question. It gives you an opportunity to do another question, different numbers, and you can get 100 on every assignment. So do take advantage of that. Leave this. So if you're working online, your tests are also here. They're just all the way at the bottom. Okay. can also get to your test by going to all assignments and just clicking quizzes and tests, and it'll just show you those. So that's a little bit of navigating my math lab. Also, in our course, if you scroll down, I have a video section. Videos are pre-recorded homework videos covering all of the problems you're going to work. So I have worked all the problems you're going to solve, and I posted them to YouTube in a playlist. And you can pretty much kind of scrub through and watch and do the videos as I do them. I try to keep them short. This is a 1 minute and 30-second video roughly. I label them by the chapter, section, and the problem. And if you needed help with a specific question, you don't have to watch like a 2-hour video. You can just kind of skip and go to whatever problem you might need help with. So this is number 2. Sometimes I put multiple questions on one video, but it looks like most of these have one. But if I had 2 problems on the video, you might see like a 7, 8, meaning I got 2 videos on that one. But you can use this as help videos or just to take notes with and do your problems and work from here as well. Now, one other thing I do want to make note of is, let's say you open up a video and this looks very, very blurry, like it's hard to read. Sometimes YouTube doesn't always go to the highest quality. My camera records in 1080, and so if it's like on a low quality, let me just show you. When you open it up, it's going to look very, very hard to read, like so. So what you need to do is go to this gear symbol and just put it on the highest available quality, and then it should clear up. So if you ever open it up and it looks hard to read, try changing the quality, and maybe that will help. Okay. Other than that, also in our course, we have an extra credit. So this discussion board is an extra credit for you. What you will do is you will go through and click on this link. It says videos. You're going to watch those videos at your leisure, and you're going to answer these questions. Okay, so you'll write a couple paragraphs, and this will give you 10 points. One, if you write the paragraphs, will give you 8, and then if you reply on one of your classmates' posts, that will give you an additional 2, and that will give you plus 10 points on your final exam. So, other than that, I don't think there's very much as far as navigating your course. If you need help, do reach out. Make sure you join Remind, email, and contact me as often as you need, so that we can make sure to put you on a path that's going to be the most likely to help you succeed. Hopefully that helps, and I'll see you guys in class.